Okay, Matt231 here. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've last worked on the Grand National project. It has officially started. As you can see, we don't have the radiator in there yet, but the Grand National finally started. Taking off the brake master cylinder reservoir. I tried doing the bleach trick, but it ain't working. So anyone knows any tricks on getting that white, please comment below, let me know. But today's goal is we're going to get this car actually looking like a car. We're going to get the fenders on it, front header panel, hopefully the bumpers, and see what we can get on it. I know I haven't shown a lot of updates doing the motor, a lot of things going on, but it's in. I am still needing a downpipe also, but getting closer and closer. So stay tuned. As always, if you like watching the channel, please do comment, subscribe. It shows me you support me. And next I'll show you the fenders and the header panel. And just right now banging out the dents out of them best we can. Obviously they're going to be painted, but here we are. So working on the fenders. Here we have this fender going on. Header panel. Now, header panel is not by any means in imagination perfect shape. It's got some problems going on, which, believe it or not, this is repairable. I've repaired worst. Hopefully, when I get to the bodywork stage, which will be long down the road, I can show you how this is repaired. But yeah, stay tuned. Getting it together. Here's where I'm at. The bumper up in the back just looks clean. I got the fenders on the car, header panel, grill, all up and on it. So we got the front end in, bumper fillers are not going to be in because we don't have them, but all the rest, getting it to look like a car soon enough.